So this is a mind map in NotebookLM, which you can create for free, and this is kind of cool. But what if I told you you can make this mind map into a very visual and impactful way that you can share this or learn it in a more funful way? As you can see, these are some mind maps that are being transformed into like this with using Gemini and NotebookLM. It's very easy to create mind maps like this with Gemini and NotebookLM. Also, you can turn these mind maps into a visual interactive website like this, where you can use this in your project or you can share it with your friend and learn in a more fun way. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create this type of mind maps using Gemini and NotebookLM. So watch this video until the end and you will learn new things. So first, we just need to come to NotebookLM and create a new notebook. If you don't know how to create a mind map, so I'm going to show you from the beginning. For example, I'm just going to type a topic here, which is going to be the story of pyramids in Egypt, and just click submit. And this will start to get all the resources from the internet for my topic. So after getting all the resources, I'll just click import to import all the resources in my NotebookLM. And in the right corner, you'll see there's a mind map. You just need to click on this and it will start to generate the mind map. And after a couple of seconds, you can see the mind map has been created. So this is cool, but if you want to create the visual image like that, first you need to expand all the mind maps one by one. After expanding the mind maps, as you can see, this is very messy to read and you don't know which is which. So you just need to download this image. So click on this download and this will download a image version, which is PNG file. After that, you just need to come to your Gemini and upload the image. Go to plus icon, load the image, go to tools and select create image and make sure to change it to thinking. And here you just need to provide a prompt here. First, I'm just going to provide this simple prompt to create a mind map. I'll give this prompt in my description so you can just copy it and just click submit. And within a minute, you can see it created a very awesome looking mind map. Now this is very cool. With just one boring image, you get a very stunning looking mind map, which you can use for any type of project, or if you want to learn or you want to share, this will help you a very lot. Now, this time I'll show you how you can control the mind map on your own. So you can change the background, you can change the style, you can also change the flow of the background. So again, I'll upload the same mind map and this time I'll type a different prompt. I'll also share this prompt in my description box. So this prompt is a master prompt about how you can control the mind maps. Like if you want to change the background, you can change the background. For example, aged vintage parchment, clean white grid paper. Also, you can change the color palette here. You can see example gold or deep or bronze. You can change any type of color. Also, you can choose the primary branches, like how you want to flow the branches like A to B with electrical style or like a reverse style. You can choose that. You can also choose the what type of icon that you want to use. Mind maps like circular classic models, styles to reflect factors, and this is the layer connectors. Like if you want to use your layout radial or left to right. So this is a radial style, as you can see, and this is a left to right style. You can also control that. And you can also choose the aspect ratio from here. In default, I use 16:9. So I'll just change the background style here. I'll just use the aged parchment style, which will be cool for this pyramid mind maps. And click submit. Okay, so after changing the background, I get an image of an old vintage parchment like background. But I did a mistake here. I mistakenly uploaded an image mind map of a software engineering fundamentals. So it create a mind map of the software engineering fundamentals instead of pyramid of Giza, because I uploaded a wrong image, but you get the idea. Now we have a background which is look like an old parchment. So that is what I provided in the prompt. This is how you can control your mind maps to create any type of style or the icon that you need. And after uploading the right image, as you can see, this is the pyramids of Giza and I use left to right flow. And as you can see, this is the image that we got. This is on a low resolution. If you download it, you will get the full size. And then as you can see, this is how it looks. It looks pretty awesome. And now how to create interactive apps like mind maps like this. Like you can click on it and you can also share it with your friends, or if you're a teacher or you want to share something, you can create apps like this with your mind maps. So let me show you how to do this. Let's just go to new chat, go to tools and select canvas this time. And I'm going to upload the same image of the pyramids. And after uploading the mind map, you just need to provide this prompt here. I'll also give this prompt in my description box. And choose the thinking mode, click submit. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, our visual interactive mind maps has been ready. So if I just go to this share option, click share, copy this link, then go to a different tab and paste this so I can share it with my friend, or also I can use this for any type of project. Now you can see this will show me the mind maps in a different way, which is very smooth and will be very helpful to any type of project if you want to learn anything, research anything. So in this video, I show you how to create awesome mind maps like this and turn this mind map into a visual interactive web apps like this. So if you want to learn more about AI and tutorial like this, please subscribe this video and let me know in the comment if you found this video helpful. And thank you for watching.